Oh, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very sure you'd have seen this trending images, this particular trending image, and there's another one again, something like this. Okay, so after I saw this and I tried doing mine, and I was able to get something like this, and I was able to do something also like this. It's actually very simple. You understand? It's very simple. So what you just do is you head over to your chat GPT. You understand? You head over to your chat GPT. Then you wait for your chat GPT to load. You understand? So what you're gonna use is chat GPT 4.0. That's the version for it. So the next thing is you click this plus here. You go to your photo library, so you choose your specific image you have to use. You understand? So let me try to see if I can pick one. You understand? So now the most important thing is using the prompt. You understand? Using the prompt. The prompt is the issue. You understand? I tried replicating it one particular time and I was never able to get it. So what you do is turn my pictures into a Gilby Studio style. You understand? That's the prompt. Then you click this. So it's gonna take time to load. Yes, it will take a lot of time to load. That's it. So I think it's trying to load like this. Though it will take a little while before it load. You understand? So but it's supposed to load. You understand? It's supposed to load. So it's still loading. So it's supposed to load. You understand? Yours can be quite faster than mine. You understand? But mine, I'm having issues with network. You understand? So and that's it. And that's it. And done.